Hello, cordial greeting tutor and classmate. My name is Jacqueline here. Today I will answer the question, what is dialect? Okay, the word dialects comes from the Greek dialectos, a variant of a language spoken by a community within a nation, and as an official language. The term dialect is often used to refer to a geography, a variant of a language, associated with a certain area. Dialects are considered as a minor category system of a language, so dialects are ways of speaking and greeting of a specific language and are linked to linguistic diversity. Dialects according to the Colombian context. Example, Costeño dialect. This Costeño dialect is spoken of the Colombian Caribbean coast, in the north of the country, in the department of La Guajira, Magdalena, Atlántico, Sucre, Córdoba, and Bolívar. It is spoken by all, of all ages and social classes. They have a very particular vocabulary and are characterized by being relaxed and extroverted. They also use words that are part of Costeño dictionary. Example of costeñas word. 1. Abanico. Example, anda, prende el abanico. 2. Pechichar. Example, que pechichona. 3. Barro. Example, hey, barro eso. And 4. Bacano is good, fresh, and nice. Thank you.